Hi everyone, welcome to our first unboxing video of a crypto Bitcoin wallet. In this video, we will be unboxing a wallet called Ballet Crypto. You can find out more about this wallet at balletcrypto.com. I first heard about this wallet from a friend. We are the beta users of this wallet, so we were able to get this wallet way before the public, and we are here to test it out and see the features of the wallet today. And this wallet, most important thing that attracts me to it is this layout here is simple and elegant. It promises no complicated setups at all, and it's made from a stainless steel. It has zero electronic components and is 100% offline cold storage. On top of that, as we have seen here, this is a Bitcoin wallet, but if you download the app, we are also able to generate addresses for the rest of the crypto coins that are out in the market. Personally, we have used some of the commercially available wallets out there in the market today, but there certainly is our firmware's update and the regular updates and many other complicated setups well before we even can use the wallets. So let's zoom in today as we unbox this wonderful wallet. We'll now unbox the wallet. So I've never done this yet, so I'm also learning as we unbox. So here we see the basic instructions. There is no backup if you lose this wallet, which is, this applies to all cryptos wallet. And so the wallet security features we can find out at this website, balletcrypto.com/safe. And the innovative 2FKG and the whole engineering process, where Bobby Lee, the founder of this wallet, says that this engineering process is created from 2 geographic locations. You want to find out more on this page. So the companion Ballet Crypto mobile wallet app allows you to easily view and manage your crypto assets in your wallet. So which means that this QR code allows me to download an app, whether it's the iOS or Android. There should be an app. So here is another QR code. This is for feedback. And these are the components and features of the wallet that we are going to see. So here is a message to the community by Bobby Lee, the founder and CEO of Ballet. This is supposed to be in steel. So as we all know, that having this and having your private keys or private keys engraved in steel is going to cost us money, and steel is one that is built to last, which means that many of us who is using commercially available wallets, we must store our 22 phrases. Most of us easily just have the 24 phrases written on a piece of paper that comes with the wallet. However, this way of storage is not going to last, because in cases of fire, in cases of time, the paper disintegrates. That have these keys on the steel is definitely way better if you are going to store this for generations to come. And the nicest part about Ballet Crypto is that this is already on steel. So we are seeing the paraphrase that needs to be scratched off. And of course, this QR code is the deposit address that is for the Bitcoin. And in order for us to send money out, we need to get this piece of paper out. So we'll do it in the next video, but these first impressions, this is really something that is real nice. Certainly no electronic components, which means that we don't need to be afraid about component failures, hardware component failures. So I think this is a casing for us that comes with this, so that we can just put back to store this steel. And I think most of people will write a note here and put this on a commercial safe box for storage. I believe you can see this all of these features on the website as well. I'll leave that for you to explore. And here is what I've just said, and encrypted paraphrase, which you the wallet passphrase. The private key is provided from Bobby, as stated from the website, that the encrypted private key needs to be decrypted by this scratchable passphrase before you can send it out. So next we should go to this app and see what we can find.